isn't there, guys? Today, it's raining.
Hendricks needs it to launch a nuclear strike, and we have to shut it down before he gets that
You
chance.
can't see it because
I need to get the access code from him.
One way or
the
another.
sun's too bright.
And if I don't?
Well,
then
today
it sucks.
it's raining.
You can do this.
Yeah.
This isn't good. No.
Our regular program.
Listen, a severe thunderstorm warning is
severe
happening
thunderstorm
right
indicated
now.
on radar near Haltom City, moving east at 25 miles per hour with 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. All North Central Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding announcement.
Just